So what kind of content do you think sells the most of what you do?
It changes per page, I'd say. Like, I want clips. I make the most off of my peak content. Many vids, I make the most off of my like dirty talking toilet stuff. Yeah. Whereas dark fans, I make the most off of like my extreme bondage and like whipping and stuff like that.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
What about many fans? Like, is that just just a bunch, just whatever?
OnlyFans, yeah, I find it like switches, especially depending on who my recent subscribers are. Because I don't know, I almost use OnlyFans as more of like a social media page because they'll ask for a fetish and then I'll be like, oh, I can't do that here. And then I'll try to like slowly guide them to the site that they can. Yeah. So like OnlyFans for me is almost like a filter. Yeah. So I get probably make the most of that through just messaging because I have it so that they have to tip to message. So yeah.
So you use so like once they subscribe, then you try to, I guess, upsell them.
Usually they just message me because in my little greeting message it's like oh blah 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 about me and then like tell me about yourself, what's your fetishes, and then yeah, we kind of go from there.
So yeah, so you upsell 'em. So you do you, but like you said, like you upsell them to the other sites.
Yeah.